Hi guys, so are you ready for an appetizer that is packed with intense flavor, a perfect crunch, and a little bit of coastal sunshine? Today we are bringing you an authentic and addictive Goan snacks, dry baby prawn cutlets, or also known as Galmbo cutlets. Isn't your average prawn dish. We are using those tiny intense galmo which are known as baby prawns and combining them with onion, potatoes and different other spices to make these perfect cutlets. They are crispy on the outside from the coating of semolina, soft on the inside and have a beautiful complex flavor that is utterly unique to Goan home cooking. Whether you are looking for a spicy tangy snack for tea time or a starter that will blow your guest away, this recipe is a must try. So let's grab those tiny prawns and get cooking. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling. Then add 3 potatoes with skin on. Make sure to wash the potatoes nicely. Then add some salt to taste. Cover it and cook the potatoes until it is nice and soft. Meantime, take 3 cups dry baby prawns or galmo. Then add water in the bowl. Wash the dry baby prawns nicely. Making sure it is nice and clean. Then squeeze the baby prawns to discard the excess water. Make sure that there is no water left. So the baby prawns are ready now. Then check on the potatoes. Use a knife to check. If it goes through easily, then it is cooked. Then simply discard the water and allow it to cool down. So the potatoes are slightly cooled down now. Then simply peel the potatoes. Make sure to peel all the potatoes similar like this. Then simply mash the potatoes. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 2 onions chopped very finely. Add 2 green chilies chopped. Fry it until the onion is nice and soft. So the onion is nicely cooked now. Then add the dried baby prawns or galmo and then fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube and fry it for about a minute. Then add half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon Goan vinegar and then fry the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. Then allow it to cool down completely. So the baby prawns are nice and cool down now. Then add the mashed potatoes and give it a nice mix. Add one whole egg and give it a nice mix. As you can see that it is nice and smooth now, and it is perfect texture to shape the cutlets. Then take some cooking oil and apply some oil on the palm of your hands, as it is easy to shape the cutlets and it won't stick to the hands. Then take about lime size ball mixture and shape the cutlets as shown. Make sure it is something like this. Do the same to all the other cutlets. So all the cutlets are ready now. Then simply coat the cutlets with semolina or Rawa. Make sure to gently press the cutlets onto the semolina. Do the same to all the other cutlets. So all the cutlets are ready now. As you can see, it's perfectly done. Make sure they are something like this. Then in a hot pan, add oil and simply fry the cutlets. Make sure that the flame is on medium to low, as the semolina burns if the heat is very high. Fry it until it is nice and crispy and golden brown. When ready, simply turn it and cook it on the other side. As you can see that it is perfectly cooked on one side and it has got a nice golden brown color. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply fry it on the other side, similar like this. When ready, simply leave it in a separate plate. So the Goan dry baby prawn cutlets or galmo cutlets are ready now. And there you have it guys, your very own intensely flavored and perfectly crispy Goan dry baby prawn cutlets. Just look at that golden brown crust and that spicy savory filling. This snack is a true taste of the coast, capturing the unique rustic flavor of Goan cuisine in every bite. I truly hope you enjoyed making this authentic recipe. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below how much you loved that incredible flavor combination. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.